Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm building a custom drawer to fit under the rock and roll bed of my Nissan E-NV200 van conversion. This is going to maximise storage space and keep things tidy. I'm using 12mm plywood and I'll take you through the whole process. Building the drawer, fitting it to the bed frame and installing the drawer runners. First up, I'm using pre-cut 12mm plywood that I had sized at my local timber merchant. I worked out the dimensions beforehand to make sure it fits perfectly under the bed. I'm gluing the sides together with Woodglue for a strong bond, then securing them with a nail gun. The pin nails hold everything together in place while the glue dries. Next, I hit all the rough edges with an 80 grit sander. Now I'm attaching a 12mm ply bottom. The piece is key to squaring up the whole drawer. I'm using a nail gun again to pin it in place, nice and sturdy. Then the sander comes back out and I hit all the edges again just to smooth everything over. I drill a 35mm finger hole so we can pull the drawer out once in place. This is temporary until the fascia goes on in the final build. Time to install the drawer runners. I'm using 700mm fully extendable ball bearing runners for smooth operation and full access to the drawer. Now let's head to the van to prep the rock and roll bed for the drawer. I'm attaching 12mm plywood sides to the metal frame to create a mounting point for the drawer runners. I'm drilling 3.5mm pilot holes through the ply and into the frame, then securing them with 1 1/4 inch 8 screws. These are strong enough to hold everything in place. To prevent any rattling and vibration while driving, I'm adding a clear Stixall adhesive between the ply and the metal frame. Right then, moment of truth. Will it work? Moment of truth. Let's fit the drawer. Look at that, glides perfectly. I've left just enough clearance underneath for a floor mat so it sits flush with the van floor. Right then peeps, here we have it. There's the drawer. Got a few essential bits in there for now. Heater, kettle, snug blanket, pots and pans, a couple of outdoor chairs, torch and some headphones, just to show you how useful the drawer is. Slight rub on the top of the kettle there. But there you go. All I need to do now is put a temporary piece there somewhere to hold it so it doesn't come shooting out if I slam on the brakes. And here are those clips. I 3D printed, so basically it just clips on the drawer and then it slides under this metal bar and hooks onto the back of it. So I've got one there and one there. Just 3D printed those, and also 3D printed this little holder, which is the handle for the pots and pans. So that sits there, always handy. So then when that pushes in, clips on and you can't pull it out. I'll quickly show you what it looks like from the back. So there you go, snug fit, all in there nicely. So next stage is getting this all covered in, some shelves. I've still got the side windows to do on the van, which I'll probably start next actually. So I'll just pull these two windows. So yeah, if you want to see all that, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.